Hello guys. Welcome to What We Want, a technology vlog.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calibrate monitors. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you're new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. What is calibration? Calibration is the process of adjusting a monitor's display settings so that the colors, brightness, and contrast appear as accurate and consistent as possible. Why should a monitor be calibrated? Calibrating a monitor is important because it helps achieve true-to-life visuals and avoids inaccurate color displays. Some key reasons include: ensures accurate color representation, maintains consistency across different devices, improves the quality of graphics, photos, and videos, helps professionals meet industry standards in design and photography. How to calibrate monitor? Firstly, right-click on your desktop and click on Display Settings. Then the Settings page will open. Move to Color Profile. There you will find the color calibration option. Click on Calibrate Display. Then the Display Color Calibration window will open and displays some instructions about color settings. Click on Next. From here, you can adjust the gamma using the slider. After adjusting, click on Next. Now, it allows you to adjust the brightness and contrast. Read the instructions before making the adjustments. Later, click on Next. Similarly, make adjustment for contrast and click on Next. Now, it allows you to adjust color balance. Use the RGB sliders to make adjustments. Later, click on Next. That's it. New calibration is created. To compare the newly created calibration with the previous one, you can use the options indicating in the tutorial. Finally, click on Finish to complete the calibration process. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.